Case study related to the chapter Similar Triangles. Now case study is Rahul of class 10 was interested in photography and his friend Amit's elder brother Sonu was doing wildlife photography. And he had a powerful camera with zoom lens. Rahul was very keen to know deep about the parts of the camera and met Sonu. Sonu said it was related to the application of similar triangles and explained him about bow tie. The triangle bow tie mathematics is involved with optics, example camera lens and eyeglasses. Camera does not apply to an application of similar triangle, which are used on network towers. Photography uses similar triangle to calculate distances from the lens to the object and to the image size. Okay, this is the case study and the figure is this. This is the figure of camera and this is the camera parts. Now the figure of bow tie is this type of figure similar to this. These are the two similar figure and two similar triangles. Now the questions are, by which similarity criteria the two triangles formed by the object and image are similar? These are the two triangles ABC and triangle EDC. Okay, now given angle A equal to angle D. Okay, angle A equal to angle D is given and angle ACB equal to angle ECD, vertically opposite angle. Okay, now the which criteria and the third angle are also equal. So by which criteria? SSS no, SAS no, AAA. All the three angles are equal to these two triangles and not RHS. The right option is AAA because A equal to D given, C is C vertically opposite and third angle also equal to each other. Next, question number 2. Suppose in the bow tie triangle AB equal to 5 cm given, AD equal to 8 cm, CD 24 and find the ED, this one. Okay, so now you can find just these two triangles are similar. Therefore, AC upon CD equal to AB upon AD. You can find like that. AB upon DE. The sides are in the same ratio. And AC upon CD. If AB is 5, find DE. And this one is 8, 24. It means 1 by 3. Okay, now the 5 3s are 15. This side also equal to the 15 centimeter. Similarly, just 3 times 8 3s are 24 and 5 into 3 15. Next, the drawing below illustrates the position of the camera and the distance from the lens of the camera to the film is given. The height of the actual sculpture is. Now here is a given two triangles ABC, okay, and triangles CEF. This point is D and E. If two triangles are similar, then the ratio of their sides equal and ratio of their medians also equal and ratio of their altitudes also equal. Okay, now this distance is 42. It means GC is also 42 centimeter. Now can find use by ratio formula. Suppose EF, the side of this triangle by 2 triangle AB and GC upon CD. EF is 35 millimeter and AB is X and this CE 42 and this is 6.16. Now you can solve and find the value of this. Cancel by 7. 7 5 into 6. X equal to 5 into 6.16 divided by 6. Okay. The value is 5.13. Now the right option answer is 5.13. This is the right option. And the question number 4. in a bow tie triangle, if AC equal to 6 cm, CD equal to 2.5 meter, BC 3 meter, CE 5 meter, ACB equal to angle 50 degree and angle E 30 degree. Then find ABC. Okay. Now I will solve in the notebook. This is the figure. AC equal to 6 meter given and BC equal to 3 meter. Okay. And CE 5 meter and angle ACB 50 degree. This angle equal to 50 degree and angle E equal to 30 degree. Okay. Now first we have to prove these two triangles are similar. Okay. The angle C 50 degree. This one is also 50 degree vertically opposite angles. Okay. Now find the ratio of AC in triangle, comparing these two triangle ABC and triangle ED and C. Compare these two triangles. Now AC upon, now the AC, these two words upon CE. The ratio of AC upon CE, and given that BC, it means BC by DE. These two, BC upon DE. Now AC upon CE is 6 by 5 and DE upon BC upon DE. The ratio is also 6 by 5. These two ratios similar. It means ABC similar to EDC. Now by SAS, including angle is equal and this. If this angle is 50 degree, then suppose angle E. Now the angle E equal to angle A. Okay. By the similarity, E equal to A is 30 degree. Now find the angle of B. We have to find the angle B. 50 plus 30, 80. 180 minus 80 is 100 degree. Then angle B equal to 100 degree. The right option is D, 100 degree. And the last one, if in a bow tie triangle ABC and DEC, the length of the object is 3 times the length of the image, then two triangles are. Okay, if the length of the object is 3 times the length of the image. The congruent? No, it is not possible congruent. Similar but not congruent. Yes, this is the right option. Similar but not congruent. None of these, and congruent as well as similar. No. This triangle can't be congruent because the sides, one side is 3 times to the other. Okay, thank you.